What is up, YouTube? We are back. It's your boy Panda at Forbidden Kings YouTube channel. I do want to go ahead and say I apologize for it taking so long, but there are some really cool things that have gone on with the R33 for you guys. One of which, in this video, we will be showing you clips of me painting the car to a whole new color. If you don't know, now you know. And we are also doing a tie rod install to replace the old busted ones. In this video, we also want to do a giveaway. We want to do 3 Forbidden Kings t-shirts. You guys see me wear it every once in a while on the channel, or actually probably quite a bit, but I want to add some more to it. So I want to do 3 giveaways. Stay tuned for the end of the video to see what you got to do to get to it. Alright guys, now that I got the GoPro charged and I am getting back to it. Sorry I won't be giving you guys like really much of like watching me do it. I mean, I gave you guys a little bit, but it really doesn't count for much anyways. But we are almost done priming the car with the hydro dip. By the way, I am no professional. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I mean, I do a little bit only because I spray paint stuff here and there. You guys saw in one of the previous videos for the interior pieces, but this is a larger scaled base, and my biggest problem, then we're gonna go and do the final paint. Go ahead and stop the video here and go ahead and tell me what you guys think the final color is gonna be. Obviously I tried to sand down my best on all the portions that ripped the clear coat off. Something that I didn't tell you guys, I tried to wrap the car. The wrap came out okay. People who painted this car last did the poorest of jobs for the clear coat. So basically when I pulled up, it pulled the clear coat like it was plasti dip. And it just, you could chip it off like it was nothing. So I'm gonna go finish up the accessories that are not on the car, and we will go to the final color right here in a bit, and you guys will find out once it's done. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I'm sweating. Just that Georgia heat for you. But we started our first coat and a half. I stopped after I got around the front bumper for the half a coat. But you guys can see it's slowly coming together. Do you guys still have an idea of what the color is? It's definitely not great, I can tell you that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get several more coats on before I show you guys again what it looks like, because this is a process. I'd like to get it done before tomorrow, which will be Monday. It's also Pua's birthday, and also I gotta go to work. So I'd like to knock this out and then knock out the tie rods at the same time, and then go for a final alignment on Tuesday. So the odds of this all getting done is all depending on how well I work and how fast I work and how clean I work. Yo, what is up guys? We are finally done painting the car. And as you guys can see, we went with a camo green. Don't mind the white spots all over the place. That's from when I was priming the car prior to the dip yourself prime. I'm gonna have to give it a bath, because putting it back together obviously was a dirty task. But as you guys can see, this is what she looks like now. Nice little green color. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since we got finished painting the car, and the car looks great, I can tell you that. I have so many people breaking necks and so many people looking at the car left and right because they enjoy looking at it. It looks great. It's awesome. The paint came out great. I mean, I did mess up in some spots. Like if you guys notice, like here, basically my edge work could have been a whole lot better, especially in some spots. Today's portion of the video, we're gonna go and install our tie rods. Thanks to, he was kind enough to let me borrow his pitchfork. Considering Advanced Auto when I went there didn't have it. So we will be removing said tie rods. ISR Performance. ISR Performance. If you guys did not see when I first pulled it out, these are both meant for 240s. 240s will work on Skyline. Inner tie rods. So as you guys can see, this is the new one, and this is going to be a fun one. Right after watching countless videos, things I need to remove. One, we got to remove this cotter pin, then we got to remove this bolt to be able to allow the pitchfork. Pitchfork? Is that what it's called? I can't even. Pickle fork. Remove the pickle fork, or use the pickle fork to remove it. Undo this right here. Undo this, and then once we get there, I'll show you guys where. Ooh, my fingers are dirty. Ugh. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that real quick. All right, guys. So now that I have gotten to this point, you guys can kind of see these tabs. I can't use my fingers because both my hands are being held, but I'll point in the direction sort of right there. These locking tabs to hold the inner tie rod in place. So what you got to do is you got to tap those loose, and now hopefully I'll be able to turn it out and replace it. I'll show you guys once I get there so I can give you guys a side-by-side comparison. Guys, so as you guys can see, this is the new inner tie rod from ISR Performance, and you guys can see some differences. I still have to remove this boot and place it over here, but I want to show you guys a video first of a comparison. Alright guys, so we've got the new one installed correctly, maybe incorrectly. I gotta look into this portion right here because I don't know anything about that. As far as everything else, everything is in. Bad news is they are slightly shorter than the stock. Actually, they might be about the same size as the stock, so I still need to go get an extension regardless. But to have replaced the entire tie rod setup will bring me a lot more mental ease, knowing that my car is in a better place. If you guys can see, like, this could be normal, I don't know, but it seems loose in comparison, and also the amount of play in this rubber boot. And this wasn't even the bad one. This one was still fine. To the inner portion, I can't even, there's no play for me in this. Like, I can't just twist it like I was the Alright guys, now that we've got it locked to the right, and now we have the driver's side one done, this is what it looks like. I don't know, what do you guys think? Hopefully after I get the alignment done, it'll look a whole lot better. But it's locked to the right, and as you guys can see, I still have more toe in on this side than I do the driver's side. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out, show you guys the tie rod, and get this side done as well. But something's not adding up after I got done. When I lined up both tie rods next to each other, they were almost exactly the same size, length for length, when it comes to from inner tie rod screw in to where the outer end connects to the knuckle. For some reason, it just doesn't add up. Because if you guys notice, toe in, toe in. It's kind of hard to tell for you guys that there is toe in on both sides, but believe me, there is toe in on both sides. I don't know how, don't know why, but tomorrow looks like I actually will get in alignment. I had to do some minor tweaks here and there to make both sides look exactly the same, as I did the passenger side a little bit different, seeing that Michael had his setup looking a little different. So I'm gonna go and do mine the same way on the driver's side that I did the passenger side. Maybe that'll change the toe in or out. It shouldn't really, doesn't really make that big of a difference, but I'm gonna do that just to make them look the same and give myself a peace of mind. Then I'll take it to Mr. Ratchet tomorrow when he tells me it's a good time to come by, and we will go get this adjusted so everything is lined up properly, and I can go drive this thing as far as I feel like, because I now feel more comfortable with the new suspension parts on, and the car is running good. Hopefully Alright guys, so in order to get this cool t-shirt, so to speak, or at least get one of the t-shirts, I need you guys to go ahead and like, sub, let me know that you subscribed, and use the word doodle. People aren't going to understand if they haven't watched the video, so do let me know that you guys subscribed, and keyword is doodle. And then I'll put them in a randomizer, or I'll just do a bucket full of paper, old school style, and I'll draw 3 names in the next video, and I'll get you guys' Instagrams. If you guys aren't already subscribed to me and I don't know you guys on Instagram, I will DM you guys on Instagram and or email you guys, whichever one you prefer, and I will send those out to you guys as soon as possible. I need it so I can get you guys shirt size and location of where you guys want it sent. Always like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the new color of the R33, and also let me know what you guys think of the tire rod install. Not really much for you guys this week, but hopefully something coming next week with these new shirts. Peace out.